Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about linear equation in one variable and related the sums solving procedure. So here linear is nothing but degree is 1. Linear degree is the equations degree is 1. Linear equations in one variable. Okay, let me explain this with one example. I am taking one example, that is 4p is equals minus 42. 4p is equals minus 42. Here p is the variable here. Here p is the variable. See, this variable value we have to find now. This variable value we have to find. Before that, let me explain you very clearly. When any plus sign, if you transpose to equal the side, then it becomes minus. Minus values, if you transpose to equal right side, then it becomes plus. If any into, it becomes division. Any division value comes equal that side into. These are the basics which we learn in previous classes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, into become division, division become into. Now here if you observe clearly, it is 14 into p here. 14 into p. Into is there. So according to this, here into becomes, into equal becomes here division. So it comes here as a division. So what you are going to get? P is equals minus 42 divided by 14. Divided by 14. Now okay, in any table you can cancel which you are convenient. 7 table you can take. What? 7 table. Or you can take 14 table. It's depend on you. Which is convenient to you. In that you can take it. Okay, 14 table. 14 ones are 14. 14 threes are 14 threes are 42. Therefore, we can write now here what? P is equal, here negative sign is there. P is equal minus 3 is the variable value. First question is completed. Okay, let me take one more example. Second one. What is that? 2x. 2x by 3 is equals 18. Here see a division is there. Division according to our rule, division becomes multiplication, cross multiply here. So you are going to get 2x is equal to what? 3 into 18. And here 2 into x, it is 2 into become here division. X is equals 3 into 18 divided by 2. Can we cancel in 2 table? Yes, we know that. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So far what is remaining till now? 3 into 9, that is x is equals 27. Therefore the variable x value is what here? 27. Okay, one more. What is that? 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. Here what is the variable? What is the variable here? You can see 11 is a variable. So variable value we have to find. Before going to find the variable value, before here what is there here? Plus 1 is there here. What is there? Plus 1. Transpose to right side. From left side to right side. Here then what you are going to get? 11n is equal to, here already 1 is there. If plus become, it becomes minus. तब जाकर क्या होता? 11n is equal to 1 minus 1. How much children? 0. How much here? 0. Now n is equal to 0 by 11. We know that 0 by 11. 0 by 11 how much children? 0. Therefore n is equal to 0. In this way we have to do. Okay, let me take one more fourth example. What I am taking here, 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Variable, what is the variable is here? We can see clearly x is the variable. Now we have to find variable value, x value. So now minus 9 transpose to that side, that is 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9. That is 7x is equal to 16 plus 9, how much? 25. 16 plus 9, 25. Now into equal become here division, that is x is equals 25 by 25 by 7. Therefore, the variable value x value is 25 by 7. Okay, fifth one, last one. Okay, x place somewhat different methods, different types of questions I am taking to solve here. It is in mixed fraction. First, mixed fraction convert it to proper fraction. That is x plus 4 by 3 is equals, here see 3 2s are 6, cross multiply, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2. So what is the variable is here? X is the variable, x value we have to find. So this plus 4 by 3 transposed to right side, it become minus 4 by 3. That is x is equals 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3. Here denominator see 2 comma 3, LCM we have to take. LCM of 2 comma 3. How much you are going to get? 2 3s are 6 directly. Co-prime numbers. That is x is equal to how much here? 6. In 2 table, when we get 6, we know that 2 3s are, when you will multiply here 3, the same number we have to multiply here also. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 minus in 3 table में 6 का बाद 3 table में here only the 3 2s are. So when you are multiplying in denominator with 2, the same number should be multiplied in numerator. 4 2s are 8. 21 minus 8 कितना होता है बेटा? X is equal to 6. Now divided by 6, from 21 minus 8, so it becomes 21 minus 8, 13. Yes, x is equal to minus 13 by 6. In this way, see, these all are related to only one linear equation. It means what? Degree is 1 and only one variable. Thank you, children.